matey?
You alright?
Yeah, yeah.
Shorts on this morning.
Huh?
Got shorts on this morning.
Yeah, gone for shorts this morning. It's the start of the new spring season.
Yeah. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I was going to wear my shorts and I thought, I didn't know how cold it was.
Just got my trousers.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice, yeah. Nice and fresh this morning. Here we go again then. Very strange day today. We're up in the downs and there's no wind, is there?
No, not
Oh,
a bit.
no. Beautiful morning. We just thought we'd check back in with you guys, let you know where we are really, and let you follow us around this morning. Unfortunately we're still doing the Jack and Jill Worstonbury route because
Not really allowed to
as
go
I'm
much
sure
further.
you're aware, we're not allowed to go much further, so here we are again. But in fact, this path is actually worn through where Rob and I walk up it because we've been up it so often. Yeah, so we've still been out and had it. Rob's been out and had a little bit more than I have. But other than that, all is good. Obviously, our next thing for you guys to help us in will be the race night on 9th of July. It's all booked and
All booked now, yeah, Birchville
yeah,
Football
so
Club.
Birchville Football Club on July the 9th. We'll see you there, which should be good. In the meantime, as mentioned earlier, I've gone for shorts today, which is nice. Nice feeling. So, right, see you in a bit. Well, I'm very pleased to say over the last few weeks where it's been very muddy up here, this morning as you can see, well, it's muddy but it's firm, you can walk in it again, which is nice.
I've had to walk up the road a couple of weeks.
Yeah,
It's so muddy.
yeah, it's been very muddy. I think, to be honest, this morning, I think the muddiest place around here is probably Rob's pants. Did you have a curry last night, mate, by any chance?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh. You know earlier on when I said there's not much wind up here this morning? There's a little bit, and that is the offending article. Lovely up here, lovely and peaceful this morning. Just a tad windy. What's just happened there, Mark? What happened there?
Dribble, yeah.
Was that strange noise? Have you just sat on a duck? Oh, boy. It's obviously a bit of an early start this morning because this is my coffee. I've got a flask full of hot water with me. I forgot the fucking coffee in. Or the coffee. That's, other brands are available. Oh, botherations.
Look at this. Going to be loads of bluebells through here next week. Be a lovely sight, I think. All around. Should be good. Get yourselves up here.